Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook, and today we are going to learn from page number 4. Look at this, children. A egg, a egg, a egg. Now say with me, children, a egg. Say again, children, a egg. And this is a engine. Say again, children, a engine. Listen again, children, a engine. Now say with me, a engine. A egg, a engine. Children, now you have to read the words. This word is egg. Look at this, children. This word is egg. Listen again, children. The word is egg. Now say with me, this is egg. Say again, children, this is egg. And this word is engine. Listen again, children. This word is engine. Look at this, children. This word is engine. Now say with me, this word is engine. Children, now you have to trace these words. You have to trace the word egg here, and then you will trace the word engine here, and then children, you have to write these words. You will write egg here by yourself, and then you will write engine here by yourself. Look at this, children. Flower, fish, flower, fish, flower, fish. Now say with me, children, flower, fish. Say again, children, flower, fish. Children, now you are going to read the words. This word is flower. Listen again, children, the word is flower. Look at this, children, this word is flower. Now say with me, this word is flower. Say again, children, the word is flower. And this word is fish. Say again, children, the word is fish. Say again, children, this word is fish. This is flower and this is fish. The word is flower and this word is fish. Children, now you have to trace the word flower here, and then you will trace the word fish here. And then, children, you have to write these words. You will write flower here by yourself, and you will write the word fish here by yourself. Okay, children, now look at this. G, gift. G, grapes. G, gift. G, grapes. G, gift. G, grapes. Now say with me, children, G, gift. G, grapes. G, gift. G, grapes. Children, now you have to read these words. This word is gift. Look at this, children, the word is gift. Listen again, children, this word is gift. Now say with me, children, this word is gift. Say again, children, the word is gift. And this word is grapes. Listen again, children, this word is grapes. Look at this, children, this word is grapes. Say again, children, the word is grapes. Now say with me, the word is gift and this word is grapes. This is gift and this is grapes. Children, now you have to trace these words. You will trace the word gift here, and then you will trace the word grapes here. After tracing these words, children, now you have to write these words by yourself. You will write the word gift here by yourself, and then you will write the word grapes here by yourself. Okay, children, now look at this. House, hand. House, hand. Now say with me, children, house, hand. house, hand. Okay children, now let's read these words. This word is house and this is hand. This word is house and this is hand. Listen again children, this word is house and this is hand. The word is house and this word is, now say with me, this word is house and this is hand. Say again children, house, hand. Children, now you have to trace these words. You will trace the word house and then you will trace the word hand, and then children, now you have to write these words. You will write house word here by yourself and then you will write hand word here by yourself. Let's read all the words: egg, engine, flower, fish, gift, grapes, house, hand. Let's read again children: egg, engine, flower, fish, gift, grapes, house, hand.